arithmetic progression. The progression A1, A2, A3 and so on till AN, AP is called an arithmetic progression if every term except its first term has been obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term. This fixed number is called the common difference of the arithmetic progression and is usually denoted by D. D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. Now, if A is the first term and D is the common difference, then the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. For example, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500, 4000, 4500, 5000. In an arithmetic progression, these terms have a common difference. First term A is equal to 500. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 1000 minus 500 is equal to 500. Example: write the first four terms of the sequence defined by AN is equal to n square plus 3. Solution: the general term is AN is equal to n square plus 3. For n is equal to 1, A1 is equal to 1 square plus 3 is equal to 4. For n is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 2 square plus 3 is equal to 7. For n is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 3 square plus 3 is equal to 12. For n is equal to 4, A4 is equal to 4 square plus 3 is equal to 19. Therefore, the first four terms are 4, 7, 12 and 19.